Okay, we got game 2. It's Scott GS Ecstasy versus Psycho Chronic. Hooligan. Low tech, nice. Wow. That was some kind of bullshit there. Oh, no perfect. Fake cross up. EX Hooligan. Whoa. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh! Ooh, wow. Ooh. Oh. Close game. EX Hooligan over the fireball. Oh, Kenneth Spike over the poke. You gonna miss? Yep. Good shit. Okay, we got 1-1. Oh man. No, casuals. Ooh, EX Hooligan. No. It's impossible. I know. I'm so nervous.
Are you nervous?
Not really. EX Hooligan. Cannon spike throw. Another throw. Oh, EX soul thing. Oh! Bad time to focus. That's 2 wins for Psycho Chronic.